Welcome to this comprehensive video presentation of the TTS Tools Unity package, designed to streamline the creation of audio resources for your Unity projects. This robust tool harnesses the power of the text-to-speech Google API to bring your projects to life. Before diving in, please ensure you have an active Google API account and a valid API key. If you need assistance setting this up, refer to the link provided in the description below. TTS Tools is a game-changer for audio resource creation in Unity. It leverages the text-to-speech Google API to transform text into spoken words effortlessly. To operate this asset successfully, you must have both a Google account and an API key. To create your Google account, please use the link provided in the description below. If you encounter any difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to refer to the tutorial also available in the description for step-by-step guidance. Once you've acquired your text-to-speech API key from Google, you can initiate the package installation process for your project. When the package is imported, it will perform a quick check to ensure that the essential components, such as editor coroutines, Newtonsoft JSON, and Unity localization packages, are in place. If any of these are missing, a prompt will guide you through the installation. Note that while editor coroutines and Newtonsoft JSON packages are mandatory for TTS Tools, the Unity localization package is optional unless you plan to incorporate localization into your project. With the required packages installed, access the tool by simply clicking on TTS Tool in the Unity toolbar. There are three distinct modes at your disposal: single mode, Unity localization mode, and CSV mode. In the single mode, you have the flexibility to generate a single sentence or an entire paragraph. Begin by entering your desired text in the designated field. Then, fine-tune your preferences by selecting the preferred locale and voice from the drop-down menus. For further customization of voice and audio file settings, explore the Advanced Settings section. Lastly, define the path for your generated audio file, and with a simple click of the Generate button, your audio resource is ready. Unity localization mode takes your audio generation to the next level. Here, you can select the string table from which you want to create audio files. Choose languages and voices for each locale featured in your asset table. Remember, audio files won't be generated if no language is selected. Similar to single mode, advanced options are available for each language. You also have the option to lock the table after generation to prevent accidental overwrites in subsequent audio generation processes. Define the asset table where audio files will be listed for localization and specify the path for saving these files within your project. Hit the Generate Auto button, and all sentences will be automatically generated and listed in the selected asset table. If you select Generate Empty Audio Entries only entries without associated files will be generated. In CSV mode, you can import text strings from a CSV file, and you have the flexibility to set the separator in the corresponding input field. Click the Browse button to locate and load your CSV file, ensuring it follows the same format as the example provided in the asset file named csvexample.csv. Once loaded, The tool will identify the locales present in the CSV file, allowing you to choose the desired voice for each locale. The advanced settings provide additional control over pitch and speaking rate. Specify the destination path for the generated audio files, and with a simple click of the Generate button, your audio files will be created. If you require additional information about this asset, you can refer to the documentation included with the package. Fun fact: the voices in this presentation have been generated using this asset. Should you encounter any issues with this asset, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are committed to promptly addressing any concerns you may have. Thank you for joining us in this video presentation.